Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to get more followers on TikTok fast. 100% working method. First of all, try to post consistently at least once daily. Use trending sounds, challenges, hashtags and effects. You could also write stuff that you want to and share it with your friends or the public, and collaborate with other creators or make duets, reply to comments and engage with their views to build community. Safety tip: do not engage in follow schemes that violate TikTok's policies. Quick fix: if growth slows, try a trending challenge or remix a viral sound. And that's it. Subscribe for more TikTok growth tips.